Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp. This is Bob's Equipment from Florida, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now, these lamps are very sought after, highly collectible, and people really like them. Now, there's a note with this unit, and Mickey is going through his animation, and he talks, but the light does not come on. So the light will not turn on. So we have an issue with the light, and we need to troubleshoot the main PC boards. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp. And we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that when unplugging Mickey and plugging Mickey into the electric, you always want to turn the switch on the back of the base in the off position. You want to turn that switch off before you plug in Mickey to electric or unplug him. It's just a good habit. Now, there is a label up on the bulb socket, and it says that you're not supposed to exceed 75 watts. I would not use a 75 watt bulb in one of these character lamps. It can discolor the plastic. The lampshades are very delicate, and now that we have the newer style LED bulbs, that would be the type of bulb that you would want to use. They do not produce the heat that the older style bulbs produce, and they do not use the power consumption that the older style bulbs will use. Now, Mickey is plugged in, and we've turned the switch on at the back of the base, and we want to go ahead and turn Mickey on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
Now, you never want to turn these lamps on and off real quick. You always want to give them a little bit, because the electronics are very sensitive. Now we want to go ahead and turn Mickey off.
So on, pal.
And we'll give it a second. We'll go ahead and turn Mickey back on.
Ah, that's better.
We'll wait a second. We'll turn Mickey off.
See you real soon.
Go ahead and turn Mickey back on.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
We'll give it a second. We'll turn Mickey off.
Hey, who turned off the... Oh, I did.
And then we'll go ahead and turn Mickey on one last time.
What a bright idea.
Now that we know that this animated Mickey Mouse lamp has been repaired, we can return them to Bob and they can enjoy Mickey once again. I'm sure he's going to look great no matter where Mickey is used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.